Tech giant Google is paying $10 million for the data of a bankrupt airline. But why? They're not buying Spirit Airlines to restart the business, sell more tickets, or somehow turn the airline itself into a profit. Instead, reports say the archive contains around 100 million company emails from years of airline operations. It also reportedly includes around 500 million workplace messages, showing how employees communicated and handled daily tasks. Then there's the software. About 30 million lines of code developed to help operate different parts of the airline's business. Those on the archive also include spreadsheets, calendars, internal documents, marketing files, and other company records. There's also operational and revenue information, fraud and audit data, plus pricing records covering billions of competitor flight listings. Reports describe billions of passenger transactions and over 175,000 employee records, some dating back to 1986. So Google isn't really interested in airplanes here. What it wants
It's a data purchase.
is the enormous digital history left behind by the company. And that raises a big question. Why are old emails, messages, code, and business records worth $10 million? Because it shows real people communicating, planning, making decisions, solving problems, and running a complex organization. That's different from public internet data, because internal company records can reveal real-world workflows. But the deal has hit a major roadblock over privacy concerns and employee data in the archive. Flight attendants and their union opposed the sale, raising concerns about using decades of workplace records for AI development. Google says personally identifiable information will be removed before it receives the data, using a third party to de-identify the records. But critics argue that removing someone's name doesn't automatically make every detail inside an employee record harmless or no longer confidential. Because of those objections, final approval was delayed, and the next hearing over the proposed sale is scheduled for September 9th. So Google may have won the $10 million auction, but that does not mean the entire transaction has been fully approved yet. And this is where the story becomes much bigger than one bankrupt airline, because modern AI systems are increasingly hungry for high-quality data. Old corporate archives, once seen as forgotten files, can suddenly become valuable assets for AI development. That creates a strange reality. Old employee messages can remain valuable long after a company disappears. So who should control that information? The company that owned the systems, the employees who created it, or whoever eventually buys the data? And Spirit may not be the last, as many companies hold huge archives of private, real-world data. The real question is how valuable human-created data has become in the age of AI.